In this presentation, we will discuss how to view the contents of the file using SVN commands. To view the contents of the file, you can use the SVN subcommand cat. By using SVN subcommand cat, you can view the contents of the file. If you want the particular version, then you can specify the revision version. You can specify without opening or without check out that particular revision. You can check it out. Let's see with simple example. Okay, my working copy is SVN repo 6. This is my working copy and I typed ls. It lists out what are the different files and folders are there in my working copy. If you want to know what you know about the instruction, if you want to view the contents of the instruction, then you can type SVN cat instructions. Let's see one simple example. I have already created a repository called SVN repo. Now I want to check out. If if you want to check out the latest version, you will use the command checkout. No, I don't want the latest version. If you want, I want the previous version or particular revision I want to get back, then you can use revision or the option R. Okay, we'll see SVN. I want to check out some sixth version of that repository or the documentation, the sixth version I want, then you can use R6. And then the location of the repository you have to specify. The repository is stored in my local disk, so I'm using file schema. Suppose if your repository is stored in SVN server, you have to use SVN. Home, the path of my repository, and then where you have to copy that document, that you have to specify. I'm using SVN repo underscore sixth because I want the sixth version of that repository. So I'm using 6. Okay, now you can check the file directory 1, directory 2 and instruction got, and then it was sixth version. Okay, let's go to working copy SVN repo underscore 6. Now let's see. Okay, now if you want to know or if you want to view the contents of instruction, you can type SVN cat instructions. Now, if you want the previous instruction contents, then no need to go back and check out the revision file. What you can do is SVN cat, which particular revision you want to view, that you have to type R5 instructions. You can see in the fifth version, in the instruction file, you had only one line, hello students. Now I want to see in my seventh revision, what is the content. You can see my seventh revision, this is the content. No, I want what is the latest or updated in that last revision, what is the content, then you can specify head. This is the in the last version of my repository or in the document I have this content. To know more information about the cat command, you can type SVN help cat. Go and see the first line. Cat is used to output the content of the specified file or URL. Cat the usage cat and then target, that is your file, and then you can specify in which particular revision you can specify. Okay, so in when you are specifying the revision, either you can use number. Number is nothing but which revision number. In the previous example, we added 5, 7 and all those things. So you can either specify the number or you can specify the date of that particular revision you modified, or you can use what is the latest version in the repository, then you can use head, or if you want the previous one, then you can use prev. Suppose you downloaded the 6th version, if you want the previous version, you can use prev. And then you can explore what are the different versions are there. Sorry, revisions are there, what are the different options are there, you can explore.